Think I deserve a free beer.
You pulled it out of the river.
What's it called?
It's the river walk.
Yeah. We slept in until 7. I don't really have a different name for it. My mind's still blank on the name.
Can I go swimming?
No.
No, what?
If you really want to swim in a 100-year-old canal.
Hey.
Hey, look.
Italy's is
Hey, look,
how
look,
old
look,
is
look,
it?
look. Bubba gum.
Yeah, bubblegum.
Since then,
I had them in California. They're
I ain't never
really
had it.
good.
I've never had it.
Yeah, they're really good.
Oh my God, look at this
Bubblegum in
freaking
California
tree.
is good.
Wow. Hey, Austin, come stand next to this cypress. Stand next to this cypress so I can get a size comparison. That cypress is probably the biggest one I've seen in Texas, man. Look at that massive bad boy. Goes all the way up to the top of the skyscrapers. That is freaking huge. That is a big tree. Uh-huh. Hey, look. That's coral. It's from the ocean. So that's from the ocean. There is no signs that say that.
Exactly.
They don't like it.
Now, I had this place in California, and they were really,
Really?
good.
I've never tried it.
Bring it with.
Can we walk down a little further then start to head back to the car?
Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. It's a big bridge we're under. It's a big bridge.
You need some from the other half?
Just keep it from moving the lights in the wind.
Oh, it's a little freaking waterfall.
Oh, it's beautiful. Not cold? You don't want to walk over? Cross over the bridge?
Walk around.
That means we gotta go uphill?
Yep.
It's like water.
I'd hope so.
Oh, look, we got the military here. Go Rio. Go Rio Grande.
Yeah, look, gondola rides. Excuse me. If we go back that way, we're gonna have to go all the way back around and come back to where Kate's at. We'll just go back the way we came. Picture.
I got her wallet.
Let's get it. All right, fuckers. This is the San Antonio River Walk. We're not gonna walk the whole thing because we're just about out of gas. Watch this little boat go by here. We got a little souvenir for Fat Tuesdays. And record this boat going by. Y'all wave at them, so they wave at us. You're going on YouTube. Every one of you. Every one of you. All right, y'all hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures to come.